Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are good. Yes. So, are you all happy? Yes. Healthy? Yes. We are happy and we are healthy also. So, it's good. Let's thank God that we are happy and we are healthy also. Okay. We have to thank God for that. Okay. So, today what we are going to do? We are going to continue with our chapter. We were doing lesson number 2, staying healthy. Good health makes a family happy. Till here we have studied. So, we'll study further. 156. Everybody is going to open it. Okay? Yes. Of your semester book. And we are going to start with this. Till here we have finished. We are going to start from here. Okay? So, can anybody tell me 5 good habits that we have learned in the last class? Yes, let's recall. Fast. Yes. Brush your teeth twice a day. Very good. What else? Wear clean clothes. Take bath daily. Okay? Cut your nails regularly. One more. Wash your hands before and after meals. Okay. So, you remember. It's good that you remember. Okay. So, we are going to start with the new topic today. That is posture. What it is? Posture. This is a new term for you. New word hai aapke liye. This we are going to learn today. What is posture? See, now I am showing you some of the things. You tell me what it is. Okay. Here. You can see a child sitting and he is doing what? Yes, what you like to do. Playing game and watching YouTube videos and mobile. Okay. Mobile mein he is engrossed, dekh raha hai. And see how he is sitting. Koi matlab nahi hai. He is sitting as he like. Okay. Now this girl. How? This picture. How she is standing? Like this way. Aise jhuki hui khadi. Okay. This girl. Now, this middle picture, how she is walking? ऐसे झुक के चल रही है, ऐसे झुकी हुई चल रही है, ऐसे, ठीक है? She is walking like this. And ये वाली girl कैसे चल रही है? ऐसे पीछे के साइड झुकी हुई है, ठीक है? This girl is bending backwards, okay? And this girl is standing straight, okay? So what is this posture? Posture means the way we sit, hold our body. आप अपनी बॉडी को कैसे होल्ड करते हो? द वे वी होल्ड आवर बॉडी व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग, रनिंग, वॉकिंग, जंपिंग और डूइंग एनीथिंग. द वे वी होल्ड आवर बॉडी, इट इज नोन एज posture. ओके, नाउ posture इज ऑफ 2 टाइप, गुड posture एंड बैड posture. गुड कैसे होगा? व्हेन वी आर फॉलोइंग द गुड हैबिट्स एंड व्हेन we are sitting, standing and walking, we are seeing how our posture is. Like now ma'am is standing. How ma'am is standing? I am standing straight. So my posture is correct. Okay. If I stand like this. So is my posture correct? No. Why? Because my back is bended. When my backbone is straight, my posture is correct. See, this one is correct. And this one is wrong. Okay. So, in the same way, this child is sitting like this. So, is this the correct posture or wrong posture? This is very much wrong posture. While you are sitting, your back should be what? Straight. If his back is straight, he is sitting in the correct posture. So, today you see, okay, how you walk. आप थोड़ा मिरर के आगे एवरीबडी विल डू. ओके, एवरीबडी विल वॉक एंड सी. आप कैसे वॉक कर रहे हैं? आर यू वॉकिंग स्ट्रेट? सीधे चल रहे हैं? जब चल रहे हैं, इज योर बैकबोन स्ट्रेट? कि इट इज बेंडेड फॉरवर्ड, थोड़ा सा आगे झुके हुए हैं, शोल्डर्स झुका के चल रहे हैं, कि शोल्डर्स ज्यादा पीछे करके चल रहे हैं? ओके, और लाइक दिस यू आर वॉकिंग. हाउ यू आर वॉकिंग? यू आर गोइंग टू सी योर सेल्फ इन द मिरर. आप अपने आप को मिरर में देखेंगे. ओके, एंड यू विल फाइंड आउट is your posture correct or not? And when you are sitting for your online classes, how you are sitting? Okay, are you sitting like this or are you sitting straight nicely? Your back is straight. Okay, so everybody is going to note And then you are going to tell me in the online class whether your posture is correct or not. Okay. So, the definition of posture is the way we hold our body. The way we hold our body. आपने अपनी body को कैसे hold करके रखा है? When we stand, जब आप खड़े हैं, और sit, or sleep, or walk. Okay? Stand, sleep, walk, or sit is called posture. If we do not maintain the right posture, अब अगर अपन ने maintain नहीं किया, if we are not following the right posture, means अगर आप, if you are bending like this and you are using your mobile, okay, sitting like this, bending your shoulders and bending your head very much down, what will happen? Right posture, we may get a pain in our back, head and neck. कहाँ पेन होगा? बैक में होगा, हेड में भी होगा और नेक में भी होगा पेन. If we are not following the correct posture. Why? Because our backbone is not straight. Okay? So we have to follow the correct posture. So this is the new term, so kindly learn the spelling of the word posture. Okay? Yes, children? And if you do not maintain correct posture, remember these three things. We will get pain in our back, head and neck. पीठ भी दुखेगा आपका, neck भी दुखेगा, head भी दुखेगा. If you are not maintaining correct posture. Okay? Next thing. Last thing. Yes. What the children are doing? Yes. We have to do every day. Are you all doing at home? Now you are at home, you have to do it. What it is? Yes, exercise regularly. We have to do the exercise. Are you all waking up early and doing some exercise? If yes, good. Yoga, exercise, anything you have to do to be healthy. Okay? So exercise daily. And what this child is doing? This one, this picture. He is sleeping. But when? Go to bed on time. Sleep very late. बहुत late सोते हैं. No, you are small children. You have to sleep on time and wake up early in the morning. Okay? Yes, these are all good habits. You have to follow them. So from today onwards, those who are sleeping after 11 or 12, no, it's not good for you. Till 10, maximum to maximum 11. But children's sleeping time should be till 10 o'clock. Okay? So you have to sleep and you have to wake up, get up early also. Okay? So that you will be fresh to attend your classes. Yes. And last one. Last one is very important. Yes. This is for you all. What it is written? Healthy kids are happy kids. See, they're smiling faces. Yes. If you are healthy, you are happy. Okay. So, let's recall what we have learned in this whole chapter. This whole chapter was about staying healthy. So, in this chapter, what we have studied? Let's recall. Follow good habits to stay clean and healthy. We have to follow the good habits to do what? To stay clean. Clean रहने के लिए and healthy रहने के लिए we have to follow the good habits. Now, what are the good habits? Take bath every day. Okay. Wear clean clothes. Yes. Brush your teeth twice a day. Drink enough water. Sleep on time. Exercise daily. Wash hands before and after meals. Okay. And there are many more good habits. Yes, I hope you all remember it. Yes. Next point is, healthy family is a happy family. If your family is healthy, you are very much happy. Everyone is happy around us. And last thing what we have studied today is about the posture. What is posture? The way you hold our body. The way you hold your body, how you sit, stand, walk, sleep. Okay. So, if we do not maintain the good posture, what will happen? We'll have many back problem or neck problem, pain in the back, neck, head. Okay. So we have to maintain the correct posture. Okay. So with this we have come to an end of our lesson number 2, staying healthy. Now today's work is you have to read this chapter twice. Okay, and learn all the new difficult words. Okay, learn the spellings of it. Okay children, have a good day.